What up, America? We back. I'm back with another cooking video on our new channel, CS for Life.
Yeah.
So today we are making something special. We're gonna make Big Daddy favorite out dinner. What's your favorite out dinner, baby?
Applebee's Quesadilla burger.
Applebee's Quesadilla burgers. You know, Applebee's Quesadilla burgers cost $11.99. Then you gotta go to Applebee's, wait on a customer service. I'm gonna stop and leave it like that. Then you gotta tip them, buy drinks and all that. $11.99. Okay. You know how when you was little, your mama say, I'm gonna make you a burger better than McDonald's.
Right.
Better than McDonald's? I'm gonna make you a burger better than Applebee's. And I'm gonna make it for $3.06. Okay. We're using all these ingredients. Again, they ain't paying me. They ain't paying me. But all these ingredients, and we only gonna make two burgers and one for Sugar Wooger because he here. Okay. But all this meat that we used will make a whole bunch of quesadilla burgers. And because you don't eat pork, we got some of this here bacon that we got from Aldi's.
The Applebee's is super porky when they bake it.
It's super porky, and he don't like super porky, and he asked for it without bacon, and so now he gets to have an Applebee's burger with some bacon. So I'm popping that in the microwave. Okay. We took the liberty of kind of pre-cooking burgers. Ooh, we put some on there. Now put it in there. Look at it, baby. Yeah, bring it in here. Bring it in here. You got to make the burger big enough so when you put it on the tortilla, you got enough burger to tortilla ratio. And the good thing about this is you can use as much burger as you want or as little burger as you want. And we're going to make some fries to go with it. This $3.06 covers all that. But here's the important thing. Fresh pico de gallo.
Okay.
Cutco knife. Who ain't paying me?
They ain't paying me.
Oh, before then, we have to apply a little liquor for the homies. Today's drink is sponsored by Prince. Purple Rain, tequila with a lime and some water. Who cooking without libations? That's all I'm saying. So, we are going to make fresh pico. Now, fresh pico consists of these 4 ingredients, the core. You can use red peppers or you can use white peppers. I mean, red onions or white onions. Doesn't matter. It's whatever you want to use. Got this very cool contraption. I don't know who made that. I had this for 37 years. And like my little egg contraption, what it does is it cores it and puts it in like little cubes for me. So all I have to do is slice my wonderful onion into slices. Right. And what you want to do is you want to do a ratio of 2 to 1 with onions and tomatoes. But again, if you like your breath stinking all day long, and you okay with a little more extra onion or a little less tomatoes, that's on you. You can make this however you want to make it. But you can add mango to pico de gallo. You can add pineapples. You can add all sorts of things. These are the same tomatoes that I use when I'm making salads in a jar. I'm using the white onion because I don't have no red onions today. So it's whatever kind of onion you want to use. The red onions are sweeter and a lot better in terms of flavor, but we going for pico. And another thing you could do with this pico is you could put it on baked fish. You can get you some chips and dip it. You can put it on some chicken with some pepper jack cheese, some baked chicken with pepper jack cheese, and really use it for the rest of the week. So what we doing is we getting all this stuff for $3 and some odd change. And here we are, we got food for a few more days. Remember we used to go to Applebee's? They got that 2 for $20. Remember we used to do that, baby? Do you miss going to Applebee's?
I don't know how to answer that question. Because I love eating at home, baby. But I love taking you out. So how do I answer that question? I'm just confused. You
supposed to say, I love Applebee, but baby, your stuff better. That's what you supposed to say. That's how all this works.
That's what I said. I kind of said that.
Okay.
Whatever make you happy, baby, that's what I just said.
Here we go. And I have this cooking a little lower because it's a thicker burger, and we want to make sure that it get cooked all the way through because everybody don't like their burger red in the middle, because one of the things you do at Applebee's is tell them that you want your hamburger cooked all the way through. You got to tell them people you want your burger cooked all the way through.
So what you got going on right now with that jalapeno?
I'm about to tell you. So with the jalapeno, you have to take out the skin. Like this is the hottest part. And everybody don't like all that in they jalapenos. Me, myself, personally, I could eat it with the seeds and the middle. So what I do for him
So
is
the seeds or the heat, huh?
the seeds and the
core.
skin in the middle takes the most heat. So I pretty much take it out. I be kind of low key leaving the seeds right there so I can get a little extra seed in there. And you dice these up. And you slice them, then you chop them. I really appreciate you guys and my salad in a jar video. I really do appreciate it. I wasn't even ready for everybody to like it and to talk to me about how easy it is. And the basis of when I do cook is going to be about how do you do it affordably, how do you do it quickly, and how you feed your whole family without breaking the bank. So we're gonna get some good meals. There'll be all sorts of diets. It could be keto, it could be rich. I don't care nothing about life. It could be low carb, it could be diabetic, whatever you want to do. This is cilantro. You get it from Aldi's. Now, the thing with cilantro is apparently people either love it or hate it. I love it. So you can use as much cilantro or as little cilantro as you want to use. You know, it depends on what you like. Baby, you like cilantro?
I do.
I also use cilantro in stir fries. I didn't even realize that was a thing. So again, I'm not measuring simply because I know how I like it. So if you're somebody who doesn't care for one thing or another, then you know you make it according to how you want to make it. Okay? Okay. So we got our cut up ingredients in here. All is well. It is important to put in, oh, I forgot something, and some salt. We forgot the most important thing of pico de gallo. And that's a lime. All right, let me slice this in half. I didn't even add the limes. So it might be $3.10. So you take your lime. You can also use lemons if you wanted to. That's okay. Because sometimes you can't get a lime. Because you know they be, that price fluctuates constantly. So you can squeeze your lemon, squeeze your lime in here. You have your salt in here. And then you take like a swig of water. Boom. Swig of water. With a fork. Mix it all up. Now you have your fresh pico, right? Okay. I believe the burgers.
I mean, the smell is just, I feel good and Caribbean right now.
Caribbean. So the burgers are about done because we cooked them a little earlier. And so I'm going to move this out the way. Because now we're going to do two things. We're going to start on our French fries. And then we're going to do our quesadilla burgers. A quesadilla burger ain't nothing but a burger on a tortilla bun. So that's just what it is. I have found that these tortillas from Aldi's, they are like just the right size to be able to do it. So I end up using these. We're using the Kobe Jack cheese from the Salads in a Jar. So that's only a few cents. And we're using this pepper jack cheese. Now, they usually have this sort of cheese sauce. I don't know what that is. So it makes me nervous. The bacon is ready. So I don't use it. We're not gonna do that. So we're gonna use like good, healthy ingredients. We're about to go ahead and take some butter and put it in our skillets, in our new skillet. And that's just to keep because I usually make multiple ones. And I have a griddle that I'll do the quesadilla burger on because I got a lot of kids. And so it's really cool. Like if you want to make multiple ones, I have one of the griddles you put on your stove that's non-stick. And then you'll be able to make, multiple burgers if you got multiple children. I don't have them today, so now we're going to use these. Baby, are you excited about getting a quesadilla burger for
Very
your wife?
excited. I'm excited when you cook anything.
Really?
So I'm excited every day.
Okay. Well, be on the lookout for our channel. We're going to have guest chefs. We're going to do some really cool stuff with them and move forward with all sorts of other wonderful recipes as this starts to cook. We could take a commercial break.
Commercial break.
Not a real one. I'm just saying, you could just look at me with my Prince cup and my Prince symbol. And if y'all didn't know, I love Prince. And my glitter on the bottom. So Prince is for me. All right. Is it time for the French fries? So timing is everything when it comes to this sort of thing. So we have that. We have that. Oh, we need a... Oh, there we go. So what I'm doing is I'm letting this sit here as it warms up. So it's starting to bubble. And then I'm going to put down this Colby Jack cheese so that it can melt a little bit as we get started. Then we're going to take our burger and sit it on top. If you are keto, here's the alternative. What I'm going to do is take this piece of pepper jack cheese and put it over my burger. From there, I'm going to put all my other ingredients and I'm just going to get a knife and fork and eat it. So this is sitting and chilling so it melts. I'm going to get a slice of pepper jack cheese for this. We're going to put some turkey bacon on it as well. Crumble up the rest around it, you know, just shits and giggles, you know what I'm saying? Just boom, so you can have turkey bacon in every bite. And then I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna lay that on there so it can get hot a little bit. Because what we're trying to do is trying to keep everything kind of hot. So once it warms up, then it can go on here, and then we can flip this over. Bam! Look how crispy and beautiful and wonderful that is. Y'all see that? Y'all see that quesadilla burger? Y'all see what it's doing? You getting excited?
I'm getting excited.
You getting excited? Okay, so this is almost done. In the meantime, we're gonna make fries. It's only him because I can't have no fries. And when you're keto, you can have a side salad. Check out my video about salads in a jar. And we'll eat those, y'all. Give that a little some. Okay. Where's your plate? We are ready to go. Okay. Here is your quesadilla burger. Right, babe? In a few minutes, you'll have hot fries. And hopefully the smoke detector don't go off. You'll have your hot fries. So, let me get a spoon. Because it's a little rough sometimes while it's still hot. So it's a little rough sometimes when you're flipping it to have that on there. So now you can put it right here, right here. Get you a knife, slice down the middle, open it up. How dope is that? Baby, what do you think?
I think it's amazing. It's hard for me to hold the camera because I got to use two hands, but I'm going to grab one of those hats right now.
You gonna grab? Here, you want to switch over? Sorry, your fries wasn't ready in time. I didn't time that well, but I normally do America. My fries usually be ready on time. Now, also, if you want to, you can add sour cream. Yeah, I don't really do that. Do you want sour cream on it, baby? Yeah, I don't think it'll work. So, hand me the camera. Hand me the camera so you can try it. You don't want to try it?
Oh, baby, I got it. I don't need to keep it.
Fine. Okay, so if you're keto, let's move on. Where's my skillet, my thing?
When I get into that, it's going to be something serious.
So if you're keto, what you want to do is you have your cheese there. If you like, you can also add some additional cheese. Like sometimes I'll stick some under there and just let it sit on there real good because it's hot. And then I take my pico. If I want bacon on top, I'll do it, but I don't really care for the bacon. What I really like is the pico. So, if you would like a keto quesadilla burger, here you go. And unlike Cornell, I want to taste it. Make sure it's good. Get a knife. Because it is good. I mean, it look good in a mug, don't it, baby?
It does look
Ooh,
amazing.
look how juicy the burger is. You see how good that looks? You see how good that looks? Party in my mouth. That was a party in my mouth.
You're doing a happy dance.
It's a party in my mouth. Get money. Well, I hope that you learned something. I made a mess. Usually that's a messy thing to do. But for $3, you get per burger, including the fries, which will be ready in a minute. You can have the quesadilla burger you want. You can use all of this and make quesadilla burgers for everybody in the house. Or you can take the leftover meat. What we do is make individual burgers and put them in the freezer. I'll do a video on that as well. Or you can make some taco meat. And you can take the pico de gallo and make rotel and have nachos the next day. So it's a lot of other things you can do. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share. I don't know where the damn button is. Is it this way or is it this way? I'm not sure. But we really appreciate you watching. And let me turn around for Purple Rain so we can get both of them. My wonderful shirt. But we really appreciate you watching. And if you have any ideas or comments or anything, please let us know. And please tell a friend and tell a friend, because we can make food that is affordable, that is good, that is quick and easy, and on your budget from Aldi. Who ain't paying me? Who ain't paying me? So again, thank you for watching, baby. Say bye to the people.
Bye to the people.
Bye, y'all. CNS for life.
Yeah.
Fanatic.